Today I have got genius kitchen gadgets that will make your cooking a breeze, and the best part, they are all available on Amazon right now. First up we have is this egg yolk separator. If you are tired of the messy and time-consuming process of separating egg yolks from whites, this gadget is a game changer. With its innovative design, it effortlessly extracts yolks while leaving the white intact, making it perfect for baking, cooking, or anyone looking to up their omelette game. Plus, it is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Now let's talk about this folding silicone funnel. Traditional funnels can be bulky and difficult to store, but this collapsible wonder solved that problem. Made from durable silicone, it easily folds flat for compact storage and then pops back into the shape when you need it. Whether you are transferring liquids, dry ingredients, or even small items like spices, this versatile funnel has got you covered. Up next, we have this apple slicer. If you love snacking on fresh apples but hate the hassle of coring and slicing them, this gadget is for you. With its sharp stainless steel blades and ergonomic design, it effortlessly cores and slices apples into perfect wedges in seconds. It is a must-have for busy mornings, healthy snacks, or anytime you want a quick and easy treat. Last on our list is this vegetable peeler with a waste storage container that is designed to make peeling vegetables more convenient and tidy. It consists of a handle with a built-in blade for peeling vegetables and a container attached to collect the peels as you work. This design helps to contain the mess and allows for easy disposal of the vegetable peels once you are done peeling. It is a handy gadget for those who want to streamline their food preparation process and keep their kitchen clean. Now I know what you are thinking. With all these incredible features, it must cost a pretty penny to buy these gadgets, right? Wrong. They are all available on Amazon with a price of $5 to $7, and I have also attached their links in the description below for your convenience.